So I want to show you a URL shortener called TinyURL. I used to use Bitly, but Bitly started costing money. It's $29 a month, and while I think this is a very helpful tool, I don't think it's worth $29 a month. So TinyURL is the other one I've always used, and this one is still free. Now you can see there's ads, and the ads can frequently kind of refresh, but it's manageable for what you're trying to do. Why would you use something like TinyURL? You would use TinyURL if you wanted to make a URL shorter, or you wanted to customize a URL. So if you've ever pasted a link over and it's had a bajillion characters, you know the need is there. If you want somebody to maybe look at something on a poster and then type it in on their phone, it's ridiculous. So I'm typing in, this is my link to my YouTube tutorial account. I would never ask anyone to remember all this or to write it down, and you know that if they did, something would go wrong. So this is why the need for making a TinyURL exists. Now you could just hit make TinyURL and it would give you a smaller one, but I want to call mine something specific. So I'm going to call this Cat Learning Library. And then I hit make TinyURL. Now, as long as it's available, which it was, it will. So this is what it was, and this is what it became. And then all I have to do is copy and paste that right here. So that would be it. And I think that's a lot easier than typing in all of this. So it is a good way to save some time if you're looking to share a link. Even if they're able to click it, I think it's still infers where they're going, and I think I like that too. So TinyURL, very easy, totally free. Shorten your URLs, make them customized, and help people by making their life just a little bit easier. That's tinyurl.com.